Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for music production management in this complete 2025 guide. Our first step is to create a new project within UPBASE. Navigate to the left side of the screen and click on the Add New Project icon. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for organizing all your music production assets. Now that we've done that, let's name our project. This helps us because it allows us to identify different production projects quickly, which is especially helpful if you plan to work on multiple songs or albums. Next up is setting up your team. On the right side, click on Invite Team Members and enter their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure smooth collaboration with everyone involved in the production process. Remember, UPBASE is all about teamwork. Once your team is set, it's time to organize your tracks. Click on Add New Track. Name it and assign it to a team member. This helps us because it gives every team member clear tasks, helping avoid any confusion or overlapping work. Now let's talk about the timeline feature. Adjust the timeline to suit your project's duration and set important milestones. This is important because it helps you track the progress of your project and ensures you stay on schedule. Another great feature of UPBASE is the comment section. Don't forget to use this tool to communicate with your team, leave feedback on tracks, or note any changes. This is crucial because clear communication is key in the music production process. Finally, in the settings, customize your notifications to stay updated on the progress. This helps us because you'll always be alerted about any updates, changes, or things that require your attention. There you have it. You've just learned how to use UPBASE for music production management. It's all about setting up your project correctly, inviting your team, organizing your tracks, using the timeline and comment features effectively, and staying connected with updates. With UPBASE, you're well equipped to manage and produce your music efficiently. Until our next tutorial, keep those creative juices flowing.